First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. On top of the logo, there is a lever right there that we need to press and hold and then lift the hood upwards. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press and hold this lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, right there is a headlight. Behind the headlight, there is actually that location for the turn signal bulb. What we'll do is we'll grab the plug, turn it counterclockwise, then pull the plug outwards. There's the plug along with the bulb taken out. Now we'll pull out the bulb. Just grab the bulb and then pull it outwards. There it is, the bulb is also taken out. Now suppose you have a new bulb and you want to install it back. It doesn't really matter if it's this way or the other, both ways are perfectly fine. All you have to do is just punch in the bulb inside the plug and then press it down until you hear a clicking sound. Now we'll punch in the plug where we took it out from. Just make sure the plug is completely in first. Once the plug is completely in, only then we will turn the plug clockwise to install it firm and strong. With that, we are done with the replacement of turn signal bulb. Now suppose you want to close the hood back. Just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle. And to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.